So when you go to a networking event,
Mm-hmm.
for example, and you want to meet as many people as possible, whether it's for dating or for business,
Mm-hmm.
right? Where do you think is an ideal place to stand at a networking event?
Block the bar.
Block the bar, before or after.
That's
All right, you don't want to catch someone when they're first coming in because
Right.
they're doing their glances around, surveying the room. They're not feeling comfortable, right?
oh, that makes totally
You
good
don't want to
sense.
stand in front of the bathroom and stop people when they're going in.
Hey, do you have a minute? No, I really don't.
Yeah.
So,
When someone walks in and they're not feeling comfortable, they'll survey the room. Where's
Mm-hmm.
the bar? So yes, they'll go to the bar.
oh, the bar's a good place
The
to
bar
be.
is a great place.
Okay.
And once they've had their drink, then they have their drink. They look uncomfortable. They're trying to figure out, who am I going to talk to?
Right.
That's the first place to catch them. Stand near where they exit the bar area. They
So
have their
you're
drink
their
in their
safety
hand.
island.
Exactly.
Okay.
I love that phrase. You are their safety island. You're providing safety for them.
Right.
You're there to welcome them. You
Interesting.
can raise your eyebrows. You know, they're looking around.
Right.
As soon as you can see them glancing at you, raise your eyebrows, smile, walk towards them, engage them in conversation.
Interesting. There you go. So that works at so many levels. Now, if they don't have a bar, buy the coffee.
Food, buy the coffee, buy the food.
So if there was nothing like that in the room, just generally speaking, you don't want to be right by the entrance because that totally makes good sense. They come in, they're not comfortable. They're just getting the lay of the land.
Yes. But if there's no bar, you can stay a little bit farther back so you're not ambushing them
Right. Just
And-
get back.
a little bit. And then as they're surveying the land, try and get eye contact, raise your eyebrows, smile, and keep eye contact
Okay.
because then they are more likely to approach you.
So this would be fun just to try, just for laugh, giggles, and grins,
Absolutely.
and see how many people. And then if you really want to turn it into a terrible situation, follow them throughout the rest of the night. Engage in every conversation they're in. They will end up hating you, though. So, right?
Depends how charismatic you are.
To a degree, but sometimes
Yes.
people have to learn there's a point to break away.
Yes.
It's that old saying, leave them wanting more, I think.
Well, you can read their body language in that regard.
Mm-hmm.
Your toes point toward what you're interested in.
Oh, that's interesting.
If you're speaking with someone and you're engaging them, you want to have your head, your top, your torso, and your toes facing them so that you're square to them, right? So that your shoulders are parallel to their shoulders. It gives them it's a nonverbal sign of respect and engagement. Now let's say I'm speaking to you and you're
Okay.
bored with me or you have somewhere you need to be.
Right.
You will often turn your body. Let's say you have to pee. Okay.
Right.
You have to pee. You're going, oh my gosh, I have to pee. This woman won't stop talking. Your body will tell me that you want to leave. You will probably turn your shoulders and your toes slightly toward the bathroom, whether you know you are or not.
Interesting.
Or you'll start running in place. But
That's doing the happy dance.
the happy dance.
Right.
But if you see someone's toes pointing toward the bathroom, you can probably be gracious and let them go. Or if you're in a group setting,
Mm-hmm.
let's say there are 2 men, 3 women, and you can look at where the toes of the people are pointing, and it'll probably point toward the person they're interested in.
Really? Oh, that's interesting. So if I'm at a party and we're talking to a bunch of people and everyone's toes pointing towards my wife, time to exit. You got to
Either
go.
that,
That's-
yeah, or you get her to hand out your business cards.
Right. No, she's awesome at that. So, she is. She's like, oh, you should talk to my husband.
Yes.
Well, that's fantastic.